Activating the device and safety switch. When ready to operate the Amalgatome MD, press the activation lever down onto the handle. This will put the instrument into ready mode. While the activation lever is depressed, a firm grip is kept on the instrument. Press the activation button located at the end of the handpiece next to the power cord. This will cause the blade to rotate. Note: if the instrument is not activated within 4 to 7 seconds, the lever must be released and re-engaged to reset the ready timer. This is for safety purposes and does not allow the device to accidentally be activated if placed lever side down. Releasing the lever will deactivate the device.